Let's solve the following equation that involves the floor function and the absolute value. Before solving, we need to simplify. The first thing that we need to simplify is the absolute value. Okay, here we have the absolute value of x minus 2 is x minus 2 if x is bigger than 2, and it's minus x plus 2 if x is less than 2. Okay, so our first condition is that we assume that x is bigger than 2, and we have then the absolute value of x minus 2 is just x minus 2. Okay, let's solve that. So our equation E becomes the floor of 2x minus 3 plus x minus 2 equals x minus 3. Note that they have replaced the absolute value of x minus 2 by just x minus 2. I need to keep this condition here in mind when we are solving. Okay, now we can simplify. If we add x minus x to both sides, and or we can add minus x plus 2 to both sides, we get 2x minus 3 is equal to x minus 3 minus x plus 2, which is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is in z, okay? And therefore, using the definition of the floor function, I can see that they have, in this case, 2x minus 3 is bigger than minus 1 and less than 1 minus 1 or minus 1 plus 1, which is 0. If I add 3 to both sides, I get 2x less than 3. Dividing by 2, we get x is between 3 over 2, between 1 and 3 over 2. But I know in this case that x is bigger than 2. Okay, so my x is between 1 and 3 over 2, and it's bigger than 2. There is no such x. Okay, this means that there is no solution in this case when x is bigger than 2. So there is no solution because note here, this is my 2, this is 1, this is 0. So x is between 1 and 3 over 2, which is 1/2. So x is in here and x is in here. So there is no intersection between the two. Therefore, the solution for this case, when x is bigger than 2, the solution is the empty set. There is no value that satisfies this equation. Okay, if x is less than 2, let's see what we can have. X is less than 2, we're going to have E will become like this. It's going to be the floor of 2x minus 3 minus x plus 2 equals x minus 3. In this case, if I add x minus 2 to both sides, I get 2x minus 3 equal x minus 3 plus x minus 2, which is going to give me 2x minus 5. In this case, the floor function is equal to this value. This value must be in z. Okay, so I base my solution on this. This means that 2x minus 7 is bigger than 2x minus 5, and also I need to add 1 here. So it's going to be 2x minus 5 plus 1, which is 2x minus 4. In this case, the easiest way to solve is to add minus 2x to both sides. To all the sides, I get minus 5 less than minus 7 less than minus 4. This can never happen. And therefore, even when x is less than 2, there is no solution. So therefore, the solution for this case is just the empty set. So the equation E has no solution. That means there is no x that will satisfy this equation. Another thing that we can do, we can graph this function and see, we can graph this function here separately and graph this one separately and see where they intersect. If there is no point, that means no solution. You can graph it and check. Thank you.